Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about industrial bathroom design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Bathroom design has come a long way in recent years, with new styles and trends emerging constantly. One of the latest trends is industrial bathroom design, which is becoming increasingly popular due to its unique and practical approach. This style combines the raw materials and rough textures of industrial spaces with modern bathroom fixtures to create a space that is both stylish and functional. Industrial bathroom design takes its inspiration from the aesthetics of old factories and industrial spaces. It features raw materials such as concrete, brick, and metal, and emphasizes the use of exposed pipes and ducts to create a rough and unfinished look. The color palette for industrial bathrooms is typically neutral, with black, white, and gray being popular choices. There are several reasons why industrial bathroom design is a great choice for your bathroom. Firstly, it is versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of bathroom sizes and layouts, making it a great option for those with different renovation needs. Secondly, the raw materials used in this style are durable and long-lasting, ensuring that you won't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon. Another reason why industrial bathroom design is a great choice is its functionality. The exposed pipes and ducts can be used to conceal plumbing and electrical fixtures, making it easier to access them when needed. Additionally, the neutral color palette creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere, making it the perfect choice for a space where you want to unwind and recharge. If you're interested in incorporating industrial bathroom design into your space, there are several steps you can take to achieve this look. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Use raw materials. Concrete, brick, and metal are the most common raw materials used in industrial bathroom design. These materials add texture and character to the space and can be used to create a variety of interesting patterns and designs. 2. Exposed pipes and ducts. This is a key element of industrial bathroom design. Exposed pipes and ducts add an industrial touch to the space and make it easier to access plumbing and electrical fixtures when needed. 3. Neutral color palette. Industrial bathrooms typically feature a neutral color palette, with black, white, and gray being popular choices. These colors create a calm and relaxing atmosphere, making it the perfect choice for a space where you want to unwind and recharge. 4. Industrial lighting. Lighting is an important aspect of any bathroom design, and industrial bathrooms are no exception. Choose from a variety of lighting fixtures, including pendant lights, wall sconces, and industrial-style ceiling lights, to add both style and functionality to the space. 5. Accessories. To complete the look, add industrial-style accessories, such as metal hooks, towel bars, and soap dispensers. These small touches can add a lot of character to the space and help to create a cohesive look. Industrial bathroom design is a unique and practical style that combines the raw materials and rough textures of industrial spaces with modern bathroom fixtures. Whether you have a small powder room or a large master bathroom, this style is a great option for those who want to create a stylish and functional space. So why not give it a try? Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a industrial bathroom design ideas for your home. Thank you.